pass the armored titan on to Falco.
It took everything I had to heal even this much. But now, I can make my death count. I finally witnessed some of my brother's memories. You were the weakest candidate in our unit, but he tricked the brass into making you a warrior. He screwed me out of it to protect me.
Wait! You can't! God, Falco!
I can let go of whatever doubts I still had. There's no denying I deserved it more than you.
No!
That trick I stole from Peak worked out all right for me. I played dead long enough to get their attention off me, and you managed to figure it out before them. We can win this!